Welcome, Melissa. I am so excited to announce that you are our Tiny Kitchen March Spotlight member. Thank you for being such a positive, integral part of our club.
My name is Melissa, and I am based out of Las Vegas. I moved back home in July, so I was living in San Francisco for the past 4 years, which I absolutely miss the food there.
Tell us, why did you join Tiny Kitchen Cooking Club?
I joined Tiny Kitchen Cooking Club for 2 reasons. One, thanks to our amazing company Demand Base that had you host our Christmas party. Super grateful that they introduced us to you. I love the classes that we've had so far, just how interactive they are. I knew that I wanted to try something new. I'm tired of making the same meals at home, but really I've learned so much from you, to even how to hold a knife professionally, so I feel like a professional chef at home now, to letting us know what type of wine pairs well with certain foods. I like that you give us different options, alternatives for everyone's liking, and again, just how interactive the class is. So as we're cooking, if there's questions, if unsure of something, that's something that you've always helped us through the class. But really, again, not being afraid to try new things. We really are all connected for one reason, and the reason that we're there is our passion for cooking.